How to publish a guide. Once you have completed your edits, it is time to publish your guide within the app. This can be done effortlessly by clicking the Publish to App button. The subsequent page will verify that all technical aspects comply with the minimum requirements. You must resolve any validation errors before proceeding further. Next, you will need to choose the mode in which to publish your content. The first option, completely free, is to publish in private mode. To proceed with this, click the Free Publish in Private Mode button. Accessing your guide in this mode is limited either by scanning the QR code with a mobile device, which you can also download, or by entering the code into the app's search field. As the content remains private, any promotion or distribution is entirely your responsibility. Alternatively, if you wish for your guide to be publicly visible and searchable within the app, you may select Request Publish to App in Public Mode, a paid service. Clicking this option opens a form where, for a fee of €100, you can request a content review by the SmartGuide team. Upon approval, your content will be checked, and if there are no problems, it will be made publicly available in the app. Check the content carefully before requesting a review to ensure it meets our minimum requirements, as there is a fee for each review request.